Welcome. If you lost your DJI device and you cannot find it, maybe one of my methods is going to help you. So the first one, we are going to use the location in the DJI Fly application. So let's click on the left upper corner, and right now, as you can see, here we got our location of the aircraft. And the second one, we have to move for the profile, then tap on the Find My Drone, and right now you have to click on the Start flashing and the beeping, and of course in this place you have also this location. So maybe you can hear it, but you can also check the view of the front camera, and as you can see, it looks like that. So I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.